I had to do to create these ads you're seeing was add a photo of me and a link to a product into an AI. No technical prompting or script writing was needed. The AI just created these ads automatically on any product I tested. And you don't even need to use yourself in these ads. I created this one you're seeing on screen now by just choosing one of the preset characters, and you can even add your own. And you can even have the AI set these adverts in any location you choose. So as you probably already know from the title of this video, I put all of those ads together in the new Higgsfield Marketing Studio. The link to that is in the description and the pinned comment if you've not played with it yet. I discovered it today and it blew me away. So this video is to run you through quickly how to use it and some of the ways I see this being valuable to businesses on social media. To find and use the new Marketing Studio is super straightforward. It's right here on the top left of the Higgsfield homepage. So just click on this link. You can see these previews here of some of the ads I've already made while playing with this new tool, but it's this box down here that we're interested in for making a new advert. So to do this, it's quick and easy. Like I mentioned, there's just 2 steps. First, we're going to choose the avatar to use in the ad. So I've got my own avatar here, which I was able to make by pressing this button here earlier to create an avatar. I just had to upload this one picture here of myself, and that was all that it needed. So make your avatar and then select it when you are ready to use this tool. And then you just need to link to any product that's on the internet by pressing this button here. You can see some of the previous products down here that I've already linked to and used, but I'm going to show you how to use any product on the internet here by setting it up in this new box here. So to show you how automatic and easy setting this up is, I'll just head to Amazon and find any random product on Amazon. Let's go for these balloons here. And now we're on the product page. This really blew my mind. All we have to do is just grab this URL to the product, head back over to Higgsfield and pop that URL in here, and then press this button to connect Higgsfield to that product. So now I've pressed it, you can see here it's creating a product, and in a few seconds that will all be set up and is all we need to do. And there we go, look, it's done, it's brought into Higgsfield, and I can select this as the product that I want to use for my ad. You can see I've selected it here and it's been brought in down here. So this really caught my attention earlier because if you're a retailer, all you need to do is find your products on your website and that's it. Or if you're an agency making ads for an existing business and they have a website, that's all you need to use this tool. Great, so now we've got our avatar and our product brought in here. We can choose the aspect ratio, so let's stick with 16:9. Resolution, I'm going to stick with 1080p. Length of the advert, let's bring this up to 8 seconds so we have something to watch after this is done. And finally, just the type of ad that you want created, you choose that down here. So you can see when we open that up that we've got quite a few ad type presets that we can choose from these ones at the top where it's kind of like this digital person trying or using the product, and then these ones down here that are a bit more cinematic and visual. I actually don't like these types of ads up here where there's like a fake person pretending to use the product and kind of trying to convince people that they're real. I kind of find these a little bit unethical, but these ones down here like TV spot and wildcard that are all about making eye-catching visuals, I really like these. So I've been experimenting with either TV spot and wildcard. So we're going to go with TV spot again for this example here, and then simply press generate. And as you'll see, that's processing there. I found this takes typically around 2 to 3 minutes to generate one of these. So compared to how long it would have taken in the past to hire an advertising agency, plan out the ad, hire actors, film it, edit it, you know, it's non-comparable, the time difference. And we'll take a look at this when it's ready in a few seconds. You can see all of the other ads I have made today down here. Full transparency, I did have some problems using this tool. You can see this one and this one failed, and it tagged it as not suitable for work. I tried to make ads here. These were boxing gloves that I found on Amazon that for some reason it found broke some not for work policy. I don't know, maybe it kind of was connected to aggression and violence. So it sometimes doesn't work if you add a product that breaks some of its censorship criteria. This one didn't work too, I think because I used a well-known brand product in my experiment and it just wouldn't create an ad of me using a popular branded product. So watch out for that. Sweet, we can see that's changed from processing to generating, so that'll be done in just a second. And hopefully this generation is another example of why this tool really stood out for me. I'm trying to find ways to create videos and just make my content creation as quick as possible. And this is one of the best ad generators I've seen, probably the best ad generator I've seen to date. You know, I eventually want to sell my own products, whether it's software or physical products. This is definitely, I can see myself relying on to help me with that in the future. And also if I want to just create footage of me for this YouTube channel using random things and in random situations, this is one of the most realistic generators that actually keeps me looking like me that I've seen out there with all the video generator options that exist. Nearly done. While we're waiting, one more thing. I send a newsletter, by the way, of all the latest like AI tool updates and AI tool launches that I discover just like this. So if you want to keep more in the loop, if you're maybe not on YouTube all the time, you can sign up to my newsletter below and you'll get regular emails on the latest AI tools for video creators that are going to help you make videos faster, just like this. So sign up to that using the link in the description to this video. Okay, so we have our balloon advert generated now. Full transparency, that first attempt didn't work and I had to retry. I actually changed the style from TV spot to wildcard and it seems to fix it. So sometimes you have to experiment, but it got there eventually. Let's click this and give it a proper watch now. That's awesome. Like I said, it just blew my mind when I saw this and I realized you can do this with any ad. You can also, like I said, change the location you're in. You just literally need to type like the location here. So I could say in a desert here and it would put the next ad it generated in a desert. Really straightforward to make that change too. Link is in the description and the pinned comment to this video. Like I said, if you're a business looking to promote your products on social media or an agency trying to win work, promoting other people's products, I think this could be such a useful tool and I just had to jump on and make this video. Check out this video next after you've checked out Higgsfield. It basically shows you how to use AI to automatically copy a winning Instagram account's strategy so that you can use the same principles to grow your account. This is really cool too. Check that out next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.